Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope everything is fine. Now, if you remember, a while back, we had a lesson about different parts of the body which were using English expressions. Similarly, we can use names of some animals in some expressions, idiomatic expressions, and mm, actually communicate in a better way. Okay, they're used a lot. So today we're going to go over some of them. In my opinion, the most frequent ones. As before, I'm going to read them, give you the English equivalent, and of course, explain more if need be. Okay. So the first one is black sheep, means a member of a group who is considered a disgrace. For example, he is the black sheep of the family because he never follows the rules. Next, red herring means something that distracts from the main issue. For instance, you can say the extra clue in the story was just a red herring to confuse readers, something which confuses your mind. Then we have dark horse. So it means a person who unexpectedly succeeds. For instance, you say Maria turned out to be the dark horse and won first place. Means that she was not expected to win the first place, but she did. Okay. And then we have cash cow, means a product or service that reliably earns money. For instance, we can say their online course became the company's cash cow. The next one, paper tiger. Yeah, a tiger made of paper, so it shows what it means. It means someone who appears strong but is weak. This expression is used in politics a lot. Okay, and as an example, you can say the new manager talks tough, but he's a paper tiger. All right. Next, eager beaver means a very enthusiastic, hardworking person, a person who works a lot. Okay, so my new assistant is an eager beaver who loves taking on extra work. I envy you. Okay, so yeah, I wish I had an assistant like that. The next one, guinea pig, means someone used for tests or experiments. Okay, or lab rat, something like that. As an example, you can say they use the interns as guinea pigs to test the new software. Then you have lone wolf, a person who prefers to act alone. John is a lone wolf who prefers working alone. Then you have cold fish, means an unemotional or unfriendly person. Not very good. Okay, means she didn't smile once during the meeting. What a cold fish. And then you have copycat, means someone who imitates others. In Persian, we use monkey instead of cat. Okay, so don't be a copycat. Write your own ideas. And these days, using AI, many students have turned into copycats. Right? So AI, I really respect AI, and I think it is very good, but not relying on that 100%. Many students rely on AI more than 100%. Okay, so then I always ask, so how about your own brain? Anyhow, top dog, the next one, the most important or dominant person. In zoology we have, or zoology or biology, we have alpha male. In the animal domain, usually we have alpha male. Sometimes we do have alpha females, like in the case of elephants. Actually, we have matriarch over there. And then the best example for alpha, maybe the alpha female is hyenas. Okay, again, they have matriarch, hyenas. So as an example for top dog, you can say after the promotion, he finally became the top dog in the office. We had top dog, and how about underdog? The next one is underdog. Is a competitor who is expected to lose. Okay, so everyone cheered for the underdog team in the final match. Next, you have lion's share, means the largest portion of something. She did the lion's share of the work on the project. This is used in economy a lot. And then you have snake in the grass, means a hidden enemy or a traitor. Be careful with him, he is a snake in the grass. Avoid snakes in the grass. The next one, bully in a china shop, means a clumsy or tactless person. China, you know the material, not the country. The porcelain. What happens if you put a bully in a china shop, okay? As an example, you can say he moves around the office like a bully in a china shop, clumsily. Okay. Then we have white elephant, means a useless but burdensome position. The old stadium turned into a white elephant after the Olympics. There is no use for that. Next, wild goose chase, a pointless or hopeless search. Looking for that document was a wild goose chase. Then the next one is monkey business, silly, mischievous, or dishonest behavior. Stop the monkey business and get back to work. The next one, rat race, stressful, competitive daily routine, like life of many people these days. Okay, so she left her job because she was tired of the rat race. Then we have chicken out. If you saw another video of mine, I talked about chicken hearted and something else. Okay, actually, virus hearted. You know that in English, chicken is considered to be coward. We say chicken hearted means a person who is not brave, a coward. It's almost the same. So chicken out means to lose courage at the last minute. He wanted to ask her out, but he chickened out at the last second. Better luck next time. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret unintentionally. Tom let the cat out of the bag about a surprise party. Next we have the elephant in the room, means an obvious problem everyone avoids discussing. For instance, you would say, nobody talked about the budget cuts, the elephant in the room. Then we have rain cats and dogs, means to rain heavily. This is used a lot. Okay, so it's raining cats and dogs. We should wait before leaving. Then hold your horses, means wait, be patient. Hold your horses. We need to check the plan first. And then you have as busy as a bee, means very busy and active. She's been as busy as a bee preparing for the seminar. And then you have open a can of worms, means to create a complicated, troublesome situation. So, for instance, you say, bringing up that topic will only open a can of worms. Means don't do that. And then a fish out of water means someone who feels uncomfortable in a new situation. So I felt like a fish out of water at my first dance class. And then horse around means to play or act foolishly. The kids were horsing around in the hallway. And then the early bird catches the worm. I suppose everybody knows this expression. Okay, it means the success comes to those who act quickly. Okay, so let's leave early. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. Very well, and the last one, the 30th one. Yeah, today I gave you 30. Okay, 30 expressions. You can think of more, of course, but I thought these were the most frequent ones, okay, the most used, widely used, okay, in everyday conversation. So the last one, smell a rat. You can also say something is fishy. Means, okay, to suspect something is wrong or dishonest. As an example, I smell a rat. Something about this story doesn't sound right. I will give you a very, very short recap of these sentences, okay, at the end. But before that, let's deal with the Imam of the Bez, Khomeini, and the examples. Okay, I've made two examples regarding that animal. Remember the Men in Black? Boris the animal. Okay, so you can say Khomeini the animal. Okay, Akhund the animal, Mola the animal. Completely fits. Okay, but okay, we're gonna use animal and Aftabe. Okay, so it's A and A. So the first one, is Khomeini felt like a fish out of water when he tried to unpack his new Aftabe. Means even after unpacking thousands of times, he did not get it. Very well. And then the next one, Khomeini was a lone wolf who preferred talking to his aftabes rather than his own family. All right, I hope you liked today's lesson and try to love animals and try to beware of molas. And looking forward to seeing you soon again. Until then, goodbye.